Alright guys, so this is feeding time for Goliath, and I'm about to give him a mouse. I'm about to see if I can get it on camera. Here it goes. Come on buddy, I know you're hungry.
Which has never been more certain than it is right now.
There he goes. I knew he was hungry. He was looking all over the cage for something to eat today. And it's not his usual feeding day. I fed him last Friday, I think it was. But he did poop today, and I cleaned it out of his cage. But just wanted to make a video of that.